contact here. Now just do me a favor and just drop the head towards me.
Oh my gosh.
Drop it. I'll just relax it.
Oh, wow.
Drop it in my hand, drop it.
Oh.
Drop it. Hand, drop it. Drop it.
Oh. Oh.
Wow. So go ahead and open for me. Close. Open up. And close. Go ahead, open. Close. Close. Go ahead.
Oh.
Very nice. Okay, just open the mouth slightly. Just let the head drop and open the jaw slightly. Perfect. And just drop the head. It's my hand. Drop it. Wow.
That was intense.
And drop it. Drop it. Okay, go ahead. Nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, big release. How'd
Yeah.
that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. Deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh my gosh.
Very nice.
So good.
Same thing here, okay?
Okay.
Get my contact. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Perfect. Just gonna pull right on the leg here. Just relax it. Perfect. Wow, that was a big release. Same thing here, okay?
Okay.
Just relax it. Wow. Those are some good ones. Okay, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid-back first, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. And all the way out.
Oh my goodness.
Perfect. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Okay, one more time. And all the way out. Great release. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice. Very nice. Wow.
That was better than the last.
That was a great release, man. So I'm going to place my hands in between your knees here, okay? Now go ahead and push into my hands. Push, 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 push. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect. How'd that feel?
It felt good.
Good. Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. One more time. All the way out.